80s or 90s? You absolutely can, because weakness and stiffness in your legs aren't just normal aging. They're signs your muscles are losing strength faster than your body can rebuild them. But here's the great news. You can turn that around, starting right at your kitchen table. In this video, I'll show you 6 everyday foods that help rebuild muscle, boost leg strength, and keep your balance sharp, no matter your age. Stick around till the end because number 1 is something you probably already have at home, but almost nobody eats it the right way. 6. Sweet potatoes, natural fuel for steady strength. As we get older, everyday activities, walking, climbing stairs, even standing up, can feel tougher. That's often because our muscles lose the ability to store and use energy efficiently. Sweet potatoes help fix that naturally. They're packed with complex carbs that give your muscles long-lasting energy, without sugar crashes. Inside that bright orange flesh are vitamin A, potassium, and anti-inflammatory compounds that help your muscles recover, prevent cramps, and reduce soreness. Vitamin A supports repair, and the potassium helps your muscles contract smoothly, and their natural fiber keeps digestion and nutrient absorption strong, which means more fuel reaches your muscles. Bake them, mash them, or toss them in a salad. However you eat them, sweet potatoes help keep your legs moving strong and steady. Fluva? Oats, the endurance builder. Think oats are just boring breakfast food? Think again. They're one of the best foods for leg endurance and energy throughout the day. Oats release energy slowly, giving your muscles steady fuel without midday fatigue. Plus, they're full of plant-based protein, iron, and magnesium, all essential for strong, flexible muscles. Iron delivers oxygen to your muscles, while magnesium relaxes them and prevents cramps or stiffness. Ever get nighttime leg cramps? Oats can help reduce those naturally. Enjoy them warm, blended into a smoothie, or baked into healthy snacks. However you eat them, oats quietly rebuild your strength one step at a time. 4 avocados, the flexibility and cramp fighter. As the years pass, stiffness and aches often sneak up on us. Avocados are nature's smooth fix for that. They're full of healthy monounsaturated fats that fight inflammation, protect muscle tissue, and keep joints flexible. That means less stiffness, fewer cramps, and smoother movement. Even better, avocados contain more potassium than bananas, helping your muscles contract properly and preventing painful spasms. They also supply vitamin E, which repairs tiny muscle stress points and reduces soreness. Try them on toast, in smoothies, or with a pinch of salt and pepper. Make them a weekly habit, and you'll notice easier movement, fewer cramps, and legs that feel alive again. Before we move on, if you're finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Active Seniors Fitness for more simple, science-backed tips to stay active and strong after 60. 3. Berries, the muscle protector. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. These little powerhouses protect your muscles from the inside out. They're packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, one of the main causes of muscle weakness and slow recovery. Berries also reduce inflammation and boost vitamin C, which helps produce collagen, keeping your muscles, tendons, and joints firm and flexible. They even improve circulation, helping oxygen reach your leg muscles for faster recovery and less fatigue. Add them to your oats, yogurt, or smoothies, or eat them fresh as a snack. With every handful, you're feeding strength to your legs and clarity to your mind. 2. Salmon, the rebuilder and circulation booster. Every time you stand, your legs support your entire body weight. Over time, they take a beating. And that's where salmon shines. It's rich in high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids that rebuild muscle tissue, reduce inflammation, and improve blood flow. That means your muscles recover faster and feel less tired. Salmon also provides vitamin B12, which helps convert food into steady energy and supports your nerves for better coordination and balance. Enjoy grilled, baked, or canned salmon 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll feel a noticeable difference in how strong and energized your legs feel. 1. Eggs, the complete strength builder. Ask any nutrition expert about the best food for muscle recovery, and eggs always make the list. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and grow. They're also one of the best natural sources of vitamin D, which keeps your muscles and bones strong and your balance stable. Low vitamin D often leads to weakness and fatigue, especially in seniors. But with just 1 or 2 eggs daily, you can restore that balance naturally. Eggs also contain choline, which helps your nerves and muscles communicate smoothly, improving coordination and control. Whether boiled, scrambled, or mixed with veggies, consistency is key. Include them in your routine, and your legs will thank you with every confident step. Combining foods and lifestyle. Now you might wonder, Do you need to eat all 6 of these every single day? Not at all. Mix and match them through the week. Pair oats with berries for breakfast or salmon with avocado for dinner. That's called food synergy, when nutrients work even better together. And remember, food is fuel, but movement activates it. Even light walking, leg stretches, or chair exercises can help your body use these nutrients more effectively. Together, they rebuild strength from the inside out. Quick recap. Let's review the 6 leg-strengthening foods. Sweet potatoes, long-lasting energy and recovery. Oats, steady endurance and fewer cramps. Avocados, joint flexibility and muscle repair. Berries, antioxidants and better circulation. Salmon, protein and omega-3s for rebuilding eggs. Complete muscle nutrition and vitamin D. Each one plays a unique role in keeping your legs strong, balanced, and full of life. Even small, consistent changes make a huge difference. Add one of these foods today. Maybe sweet potatoes with dinner or berries in your breakfast, and you'll start feeling stronger with every step. This video is for educational purposes only and isn't a substitute for medical advice. Always check with your healthcare provider before making big diet changes, especially if you're managing a condition or taking medication. Your legs are your foundation. Keep them strong, and you'll keep your freedom, independence, and confidence, no matter your age. So start small, stay consistent, and let your meals build your strength from within. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Active Seniors Fitness for more powerful tips to stay fit, flexible, and full of life. Which of these 6 foods will you add to your meals this week? Share your answer in the comments. Your story could inspire someone else to begin their journey too. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep moving. Because every step you take is a step toward a longer, more vibrant life.